Hi, and welcome back to Naseems Accountants. In today's video, I'll show you how to register online for self-assessment if you're not self-employed. This process is quick, secure, and free, and it saves you the hassle of printing or posting any forms. So let's get started. Step 1. Check if you need to send a tax return. Before you register, head over to gov.uk and search for "Check if you need to send a tax return." Follow the link and answer a few quick questions. This will help confirm whether you actually need to register. Keep in mind, if HMRC has already asked you to send a tax return, you must complete one. Step 2. Reasons you may need to register. Here are some common reasons why you may need to register for self-assessment, even if you're not self-employed. You're a UK landlord earning more than £1,000 from property. You have capital gains tax to pay. You receive income from a trust or settlement. Or you have untaxed income that can't be collected through your PAYE code. You can find the full list of reasons on gov.uk. Next, you'll need to sign into HMRC online services. If you already have sign-in details, have them ready. If not, don't worry, you can easily create them. Just go to gov.uk and search HMRC online services. Scroll down and click Sign In, then select Create Sign-in Details. It only takes a couple of minutes, and once you've done this, you're ready to move forward. Step 4. Register for self-assessment. Now, type the web address into your browser, or use the direct link we've included in the description below. Sign in using your details. Once inside, you'll see a form. Answer all the questions that apply to you. When finished, click Next to review your summary. If something's wrong, just go back and edit it. When you're happy, hit Submit. That's it, you're done. You'll see a confirmation message that your application has been sent. There's no need to call HMRC. If they need anything else, they'll contact you directly. Step 5. Get your UTR. After submitting, HMRC will post your unique taxpayer reference, UTR, within 15 days, or 21 days if you're abroad. You can also find it sooner by logging into your HMRC online account. Keep this safe. Your UTR is like your national insurance number. It stays with you for life and you'll need it whenever you deal with self-assessment. Remember, you must register by the 5th of October following the end of the tax year you need to report. Then, make sure you submit your tax return and pay any tax due by the 31st of January. To avoid stress, we always recommend doing it earlier where possible. And that's how you register online for self-assessment if you're not self-employed. If you need help, advice, or want our team to guide you through the process, book a free consultation by calling 01217714161, or visit www.naseems.co.uk. Don't forget to check out our other videos here on our YouTube channel for more tax tips and guidance.